The easiest way to prevent your watch from falling off the charger or to use it in nightstand mode with the proper face-up is with the appropriate Apple Watch charging stand. Ideally, you should invest in a charging stick that is compact, serves multiple purposes, and has a sleek, modern appearance that complements your Apple Watch. In this video, we have created a list of the top 5 Apple Watch charging docks, which will help you to juice up your Apple Watch peacefully. So let's jump into the list. The Conido charging stand includes a built-in magnetic charger to juice up your Apple Watch efficiently. With shock absorption and high temperature resistance, your Apple Watch stays safe from external damage. It also features an adjustable knob and strong magnets that allows you to flexibly adapt the stand holder's angle without deviating the charger from the center. With nightstand mode, you can turn your Apple Watch into a bedside timepiece. The elegant, compact design elevates your watch above the desktop surface, protecting it from scratches and increasing visibility. It has a non-slip base that maintains balance and stability while securely retaining the watch for charging. Also, it is so compact that you could put it in your backpack and you'll have reliable charging for your smartwatch wherever you go. The Spigen charging stand is a compact multi-featured Apple Watch charging stand that you can get at a decent value. This charging stand has a sleek design and is constructed entirely of matte plastic, giving it a durable finish that won't damage your watch. It is equipped with a built-in charging pad that allows you to use your watch as a horizontal nightstand while powering it up. There is also enough room underneath the charger for your watch band. The Spigen charging stand is MFI approved, so you can charge your Apple Watch with confidence. This charging stand also features the AirBoost technology, which ensures that the watch is being provided with the correct power output. Besides, the intelligent safety technology ensures optimal protection against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. Undoubtedly, this Spigen charging stand has enough safety features that you can rely on without any worry. What Apple's AirPower failed to produce, the Nomad base station brought to us. This Apple Watch charging stand is designed to provide you with a premium personalized charging experience. With a 1 centimeter high frame and stylish aluminum construction, this power station has a meticulous design for both aesthetics and performance. It also allows you to interact with nightstand mode for convenient daily use. With 3 high-power charging coils, it creates a smooth charging experience. This device has 2 USB ports, one USB-A 7.5 watt port, and one USB-C PD 18 watt port. Not only that, up to 5 devices can be charged simultaneously on this power station. It also features LED charge indicators, which are dimmed at night by an integrated ambient light sensor. If you're looking for an Apple Watch charger that is more portable than Apple's one, then the Satechi USB-C charging dock is the right one for you. This USB-C charging dock is compatible with all Apple Watch sizes. It features a built-in magnetic charging module that allows you to recharge your Apple Watch faster than you expect. Along with the dock, Satechi offers a USB-C extension cable designed to work with almost every Apple Watch. You can easily take it with you wherever you go and keep your watch charged because of its small size and portability. Even you don't have to worry about your Apple Watch being damaged while charging because the dock is MFI certified. The Belkin BoostCharge Pro is compact, fast, and also maintains a secure connection to your Apple Watch. Not only that, this power station can charge your iPhone 14 also. It has a modern and minimalist design with sturdy materials that provides a polished as well as beautiful touch to any home. The BoostCharge Pro even features a brand new fast charging module that allows for rapid charging from 0% to 80% in around 45 minutes. With a built-in VersaCase lighting connector, this charger is adaptable to fit any case, allowing you to charge your iPhone without hassle. Also, it is small enough to fit in your bag and charges your Apple Watch quickly wherever you go. You can also lay your Apple Watch flat or use it as an alarm clock in nightstand mode. In addition, this charging dock is compatible with most Apple Watch series. So that was our list of the top 5 Apple Watch charging docks. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell if you want more videos like this on your feed.